Hi, it's Anne Marie, and I'm here to give you a market update for January 2023. The market in January 2023 is much like it was through the fall of 2022. Prices are down. Of course, the height of the market was last February, and we're almost there, so the headlines are quite stark in terms of comparing this January to last January. But that being said, the market is steady. Its prices are basically the same, certainly in the city of Toronto, as they have been for the past 6 months. And we have great news because the Bank of Canada has said that they're going to hold interest rates at this point. Now, they said that this time last year too, so we have to take that with a grain of salt. But if you're ready to get into the real estate market, there's certainly more certainty in this market in terms of price. We've probably done all the dropping that we're going to do because when you see the headlines that say it's going to continue to drop across the country, it's not really about the city of Toronto, where, of course, high employment, high immigration, and really a positive attitude are maintaining price strength. What can I tell you in terms of what's a good deal for you now? Well, if you're interested in new construction and you're not ready to get a new home until 2-3 years from now when they're built, there's certainly things on the market that have incentives encouraged to get into new construction. So things like free parking, free lockers, limits on how much you have to put down. It's a bit speculative, and certainly there's some risk to buying new construction in an environment like this. But as we can see, starts are going down this year, and chances are that when those properties come on the market, there'll be a good market for them, either from a rental perspective or a resale perspective. If you're interested in going a little bit more quickly, there's certainly assignment sales available. An assignment is when someone has purchased new construction, but they are not in a position, or they choose not to close it. So they can assign their deal to you. A lot of these were purchased by investors, and they are wanting to let go of some of their units because they know that they can't carry them all with the new interest rate environment. So they can also be a good deal. These assignments, the property was maybe purchased as much as 4 years ago. And so they've already considered that they've got their capital gain in if they can sell it to you for a reasonable price at this point. Those are good options if you're interested in getting into the investment market, or even if you're looking for something for a young person, a child in your life. That's always a good place to start because you get a brand new unit. The other thing I would say is that don't get too scared by mortgage rates at this point. If you need to purchase, you certainly can go short on your mortgage 1 or 2 years and think about interest rates coming back down, because that is the likely place they'll go. Or even if you go fixed because you want to be certain about your costs, 5-year fixed rates are lower than they were a few months ago, basically because the bond market has reversed itself. And 5-year fixed is something that banks and other investors know that they can make money on. So if you want to chat about how to finance a new purchase or how to finance a repurchase, if you've got something you want to sell and you want to move up or move down, I'm happy to have that conversation. I'm always happy to talk real estate. So feel free to reach out and get in touch. And I hope you are having a great February day.